Hello guys, nandito kami sa Turkey side. Ito yung restaurant na favorite namin guys. Every time na pupunta kami dito at kakain, dito kami kakain guys. Ayan o, yung husband ko nag-order muna siya ng beer. Ito, prito siya guys. Cabbage at saka may sili at ayan. Saka Coca-Cola. Hindi pa dumating yung order namin guys. Masarap siya dito guys dahil maraming mga tao na pumupunta. Nag-try kami doon sa kabila guys pero hindi siya masarap dito lagi. Tsaka mura lang siya guys. Turkey side. Ayan. Ayan. Malapit siya sa border. Ayan guys. Hinintay na lang namin guys yung order namin guys. Wow. Thank you. It's okay. Thank you. Yan na guys. Yung pagkain ko guys, dumating na. Chicken, salty. Okay, so kumukulo pa siya guys. With rice and french fries. You, coming? What is your order, honey mo?
Kentucky.
Kentucky. Oh. Thank you.
Where is my rice? Sorry. Coming the rice also.
Yeah, we have an extra rice. Thank you. Guys. Chicken Kentucky. Daw ang tawag dyan guys. Kentucky? Masala. Guys, tapos ako kumain guys. Nakapag dalawang extra rice kami guys. So, dalawang extra rice. Ubos na. Yung puro karne yung ginubos ko guys. Yung mga gulay hindi. Iniwan ko na lang guys. Si my loves hindi pa. Hindi pa natapos. Hi loves.
Hello.
Guys. Tapos na kaming kumain guys. So go home. We go home now guys. We are full. Extra full rice. Extra full rice. Extra full guys. We have 2 extra rice today. Except 1 rice. And we order again extra 2 extra rice. So thank you for my baby because she told me because we have date today. Ayan guys, pauwi na kami. Nag-English ako guys. English pa guys. Ayan guys, oh. Still hot guys. Ayan guys, umuwi kasi ako guys ng 3 o'clock. May pupuntahan kami mamayang gabi. Pero bago kami pupunta guys, pumunta muna kami ng Turkey side. Bumili ng something na makain. Ayan, kaya napa-extra rice kami guys. Ayan, thank you for watching guys. See you for the next vlog. Thank you for the new subscriber. Love you guys.